Hello everyone, and welcome to this pronunciation video, which is part of a longer series on all the sounds of the English language. So in this video, we're going to rehearse or practice the T's and the D's because these two sounds can often confuse learners. These videos on pronunciation are for all levels of learners. There will be difficult words and easier words, but the sounds that we have to produce can provide problems for the beginner as well as the advanced student. And one more thing. Now, just a reminder for those who have been listening to my pronunciation videos on Instagram, if you want to benefit from this, you should repeat the sounds after me. And if you want to benefit even more, you should record your voice. And if you need more time or practice, stop or rewind the video. So let's look at all the ways in English that the sound T is produced. Talk, train, 12, Thomas, Thailand, Thames, that's the Thames River in England, butter, until, night, west, worked. Now, if you notice the spellings that produce the T sound, you understand why this is a complicated problem. It can be spelled with a T or two T's or an ED ending as in worked, or occasionally the TH as in Thomas. The spelling of the D sound is rather more straightforward, either one D or two. Now we're going to compare similar sounds focusing on the letter T. I'm going to say 3 words in a row, and you try to hear the distinction and repeat after me. Die, tie, die. Hard, heart, hard. 3, tree, 3. Each, eat, each. Now we're going to do the same thing, but focus on the D sound, the second of the 3. So here we go. Repeat after me. Town, down, town. They, day, they. Page, paid, page. Wrote, road, wrote. Now we're going to do comparisons of the T and the D, direct comparisons. I'll read off 2 words that are similar in sound, and you repeat after me. Build, built. Wide, white. Wade, wait. By the way, weigh is the verb and wait is the noun. Heard, hurt. I hurt my elbow. Down, town. Dry, try. Send, sent. There we have the present tense and the past tense. Don't forget, and there are a lot of D's and T's in those 2 words, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about this pronunciation series that will be occurring regularly on my YouTube channel. Now let's look at the T endings of the past participles. These confound or these cause problems for learners of English. So let's practice. He popped a balloon. They talked a lot. She kissed a frog. I laughed at her. She frothed a cup of milk. We brushed it off. I reached around for it. Now let's practice some advanced sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. David took Daria's troublesome TV to the dumpster. A dumpster is a large bin that you throw your waste in. Tried and true friendship is formed through years of dedication. The daring duo traversed 2 mountain peaks before descending. By the way, traversed means to go across. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video has proven helpful. Let me know in the comments and see you soon. Bye-bye.